Wuhan Senya Thai Import and Export Company Limited was established in 2015. The company and Wuhan Senya Thai Technology Company Limited are belong to SYTai Group. SYTai Group is professional exporter and manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of paper environmental packages for food and beverage. Our main products are paper cups, paper bowls, paper bags, paper lids, paper straws, paper boxes, and so on. New modernized plant covering 16,000 square meters, 6.56 acres, with more than 90 employees. The annual export value reached more than $10 million. Advanced equipments: 1 corrugated paper machine, 2 PE coating machines, 4 printing machines, up to 7 colors, and more than 100 high-speed machines in dust-free plants. The production capacity is over 9 billion pieces cups per year. Thanks to our professional staff, advanced machines, and strict technological processes, our products have passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, BRC, PEFC, FSC, DINN certificates. Selling well around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, USA, Australia, Middle East, Asian, and other countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We will adhere to quality and service first, and strive for the long-term development together with customers.